everyone, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how I've been using IT Cosmetics' new Retinol Hello Results to improve the look and feel of my skin. Step 1. So I start off by using Confidence in a cleanser to wash away any impurities and also to hydrate and moisturize the skin. Step 2. I take my IT Cosmetics Hello Results Retinol and use the pump dispenser, which gives you just the right amount of product for the skin. It's super light and easy to use, and I love the blend of retinol and vitamins E and B5 to help hydrate the skin and reduce the look of fine lines and wrinkles, and it's suitable for all skin types. Step 3. So if you're going to be using the retinol in the morning, then I would suggest you then use the Confidence in a Cream Moisturiser. This moisturiser is gorgeous and smells so lovely. It's infused with ceramides, collagen and peptides to give you healthier, younger looking skin. And at night time, you can always use Confidence in your Beauty Sleep, which helps with skin surface renewal overnight. And finally, step 4, I finish off with the Bye Bye Under Eye Cream to make my tired eyes look more awake. I absolutely love this retinol. It's been so good for my skin. It's improved the complexion, reduced fine lines and wrinkles. Oh, I love it. So if you haven't tried it yet, then go and check it out.